My name is Meg Charles and I work in News and Sport in Production Coordination. My favourite thing, I'd say, for me it's the people, especially like my line manager. She's really understanding and she's great to work with. Everyone is really, and if I want to learn more, they kind of facilitate that. They'll help me and they'll organise things for me to, boost my knowledge and skills. Yeah, it's just a nice little community. I wouldn't say there's one particular one. I would say there's quite a few because I've volunteered for quite a few different things, even outside my department, which have been really, really nice and really good to get to know other people's roles. I guess if I had to pick one, I'd say I volunteered for Children in Need, and it was when I saw where the grant went. So obviously you watch it on telly, and you see all the money raised, but you never kind of know what actually happens unless you research. And it's really nice to meet these kids and see what they do with the money and how, these kids connected and used the money for a better life and better quality. It was just, it was quite wholesome. It was really nice to be a part of. I'd say the most valuable thing for me that I've learned is, I'd say respect and trust in the department. Like, it's really nice that everyone kind of respects everyone and everyone's really open and honest. Like I am as well. If I don't know something, I'll just say, can I be taught that? And it's just, the trust as well. They'll trust me to get on with things and they trust my judgment and things like that. It's still quite fresh, so I'm still kind of waiting on other things to kick off before I get really into the nitty-gritty. But I would say it's been really, really fun, really good to kind of get the knowledge, and I'm excited to get more responsibility. My advice for the applications, so because I'm an older apprentice, I was worried it was for college people and people that didn't want to do uni, but I did it as a career change, and I definitely recommend that if you're older, just take the risk, because I'm happy I did. With the applications, it sounds a bit cliche, but kind of be yourself, don't use AI. They want authentic people, and also I'd say research the company's values, because everyone there does represent them, and you should definitely try and align with those values, because it will open up so many doors. You'll know the expectations that are needed from you. But generally be yourself, because no one is you. They don't want copycats, they want new, fresh people. So that's my advice.